So in this video, I will be touching up on the fundamentals of the Python programming language, and we'll be making a really fun quiz game at the end of this video. Okay, so welcome to Techno Guy Game God, and enjoy the video. Okay, so first we will be creating a new file in which we will type our program to execute it. So we create a new file, and we can name this with the hashtag. Hashtags are used for comments. Hashtag quiz. Alright, so now we will start by just going through the basics. We have the print command, and you have a bunch of other statements like if and else. Okay, so we can go through the if statements first. So I'll create a variable known as x equals 12. Okay, and if I say x is greater than 5, you have to print Techno Guy, and else, yeah, that accounts to x being anything which is lesser than 5. You have to print Game God. Alright, so if we run this program, you can use F5. You need to save it first. So I'll be saving this as quiz. Alright, I save it and it has been run. Okay, so it says hi, and it prints Techno Guy because technically x equals 12 and 12 is greater than 5. Okay, so this went well. So we can use just these commands: print assigning a variable to a value, and if and else statements to make this quiz. Okay, then let's start with the quiz. We'll start by just printing some welcoming text. Alright, so now we create a variable to maintain the score of the user. So we can say score equals 0, because 0 is the starting number. You can't just get many points if we start the game. Alright, so let's print the first question. Print. Okay, what question shall it be? Alright, I'll say, what is the capital of India? Yeah, so I've printed this, and you need something like a place for the user to type the answer. So we can just pick the statement answer 1 equals okay, first we define the data type of the answer. So capital of India is Delhi, so it has to be a string. String is basically anything text. So str, yeah, we just do a bunch of brackets, and here we type the special words input. So input will tell the program that the user is going to type something over there. Input, and we'll leave that blank because the question is here. Or guys, what you can do is you can just copy paste this, cut and paste it over here, and we can delete that off. So what the program will do is ask what is the capital of India, and 2 spaces afterwards it will leave you some space to type the answer. Okay, so now the answer is Delhi or New Delhi. Okay, so we can check that by using a simple if statement. If answer 1, because that's the answer which the user is typing. If answer 1 equals yeah, okay, so in Python we use a double equal to, just to say that if this is equal to this. But if you use only a single equal to signs are used to give values to variables. So we use double equal to sign here. Okay, so if answer 1 equals in quotes Delhi, or answer 1 equals New Delhi, anything is correct. So we check that, and if the answer is correct, it will print correct. Alright, and after that we'll be adding 1 to the score. So we'll just say score equals score plus 1. A shorter syntax for this is just score plus equals 1. Okay, so score plus equals 1, and it will add 1 to the score. Alright, but what if the user types something wrong? So we have an else statement for that. Else. If the answer is anything else, except for Delhi or New Delhi, we print wrong. And yeah, we do nothing with the score, it stays 0. Alright. Okay, so we're done with the first question here. So we can create more questions like this. Let me just copy paste that. Okay guys, I just hope you understood the syntax. It's quite easy. So we copy paste that and we change this to answer 2. String input. Now we can say what is 12 plus 90? Okay. And if the answer, what is 12 plus 90? Okay, so it's 102. Okay, we don't need to split because it should be 102. Alright, so if answer 1 equals 102, we have to print correct and score plus equals 1. Okay, so if the score is 1 here, it will make it 2 here because it's the question, a second question. And yeah, the score stays the same if the answer is wrong. Okay, so I'm going to create more questions here and there. So I'll be making 5 questions today. You can make how many ever questions you want. Alright, so I'm just gonna modify everything. Okay, this is gonna be answer 3 and answer 4. So I think this can be what is the biggest animal in the world? It's the blue whale. Okay, so it's the blue whale. Great, everything is good. Now answer 4. Okay, we can say the question is okay, so what is 13 minus 9 plus 12? 13 minus 9 plus 12, so that should equal 16. Okay, and just the final answer, we'll be making this answer 5. So the final question, I think it will be something good. What is the name of the biggest ocean? Okay, done, and answer is equal to the Pacific Ocean. Great, and we just have a little more changes to make. So everything should be changed. Okay, if you leave anything, your whole code will be wrong. Okay, so alright, so we change this to if answer 2 and if answer 3 and if answer 5 here and if answer 4 here. Okay, so this is our quiz program. It's quite easy, just 5 questions. Okay, and after the end of this, we're just gonna print the score, the final score. Okay, so we print score and we insert a comma and out of 5. Okay, so guys, we can run this code now. I hope it will be perfect. We save it. Okay, so it says invalid syntax. Okay, I used the single equal to over there. Okay, now we run it now. Perfect. Okay, welcome to this quiz. What is the capital of India? Whoops, something went wrong. I'll run it again. I didn't type anything, I just pressed enter. So it just took something empty. Okay, what is the capital of India? Let me just type Delhi. Yeah, Delhi. It's correct. So what is 12 plus 90? Here I'm going to type something absurd. What about this big number? It's obviously wrong. It's wrong. What is the biggest animal in the world? I'll say elephant, although it's not. Wrong. What is 13 minus 9 plus 12? Okay, let me go for something correct now. Okay, 16, which is correct. What is the name of the biggest ocean? Pacific Ocean, which is correct. So my final score is 3. So this is one correct answer here, and this is one correct answer here, and this is one correct answer here. Okay, so I got 2 wrong answers, and finally printed my score, which is 3. Okay, was really simple, wasn't it? Okay guys, hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. Just hit on the bell icon to receive all the latest updates about my videos. Okay, technology forever. Goodbye.